Today we're looking at a real gem in Dilworth, Minnesota, 506 2nd Street Northwest. If you're tired of stairs, you're going to love this because it is a true one-level home with absolutely no steps.
It's a slab-on-grade foundation, so there is no basement to worry about, and it offers over 1,500 square feet of living space.
Exactly. New laminate flooring and new carpet throughout, a furnace replaced in 2022, a brand new water heater, and a nearly new refrigerator. It's truly move-in ready.
I noticed it has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The primary suite sounds great. It has its own private bath.
It does, and for those worried about maintenance, it has durable steel siding and an automatic sprinkler system for that spacious 3-acre lot. Plus, there are no special taxes, which is a massive plus for the Fargo Moorhead area.
The location is a winner too. It's in a quiet neighborhood just a block from green spaces and baseball fields, but you can still be at Costco or the Fargo Airport in 20 minutes.
If you want to see it for yourself, come to the next open house
Or schedule a private showing with your realtor.